Hey everyone! In this video we will show you the basics of using viewer mode in VIVE Sync. To move around, double-click the left mouse button on the ground where you want to go. Now, press and hold the right mouse button and move your mouse to look around. You can also always use the WASD keys on your keyboard to move. Next, we will show you how to sit and stand with your avatar. Click the Sit Stand button to make your avatar sit down. A chair will automatically appear under them. Then just click the Sit Stand button again to stand up. When other people cast their content to the big screen or make a window public, you can press the Shared Content button to show a list of all publicly shared windows and content. Press the content you want to see and it will be displayed in full screen. You can quickly switch to other shared content using the arrow buttons. When you're done, click X to end display mode. I think that's it. Enjoy VIVE Sync.